Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jadid Nucarantika. I'm from Universitas 11 Maret, and my team is Professor Dr. Samahudi, SPMSI, and Dr. Insinyur Amalia Tetranisakya, MPMPhil. Our research is about organic materials and fish emulsion in shoot multiplication of Cavendish banana. There are two parts of my presentation today: introduction, material and methods, and result. The introduction. Banana is the fourth most important plant in the world, belonging to the Musaceae family. However, banana cultivation faces several obstacles, one of which is the availability of seeds. Banana monoculture cultivation in large areas encounter obstacle of the availability of healthy and uniform seeds, while the demand of banana is increased for the food consumption and industrial raw materials. Banana cultivation on an industrial scale is constrained by the lack of availability of seed sorts. The effort to increase the availability of seeds can be made through tissue culture technique. Tissue culture techniques are expected to produce seeds in bulk and in a relatively short time. The use of growth regulators in tissue cultures depends on the direction of growth of the desired. Combining primarily an appropriate growth regulator will increase cell division activity in morphogenesis and organogenesis. Material methods. The material is used uh, the matter is using the modification of MS media that enrich with animal and vegetable organic ingredients according to treatment. There is certain treatment including MS media enriched by benzyl aminopurine as a control. Data analysis using completely randomized design, one factor. Result and discussion. Table 1. Multiplication percentage. The result showed that the use of MS plus PAP and sweet potato extract plus fish emulsion for ppm showed the highest percentage of banana shoot multiplication, which was 100%. Untari and Puspitaning said that banana extract is known to contain the element of potassium, phosphorus, and iron, so it has a positive effect in shoot growth. And bean sprout extract, besides containing auxin, also contain the tryptophan amino acid, that the most crucial organic substance in auxin biosynthesis, and minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, which play a role in shoot formation, said Saputri et al. Sweet potatoes contain several kinds of vitamins such as vitamin B, vitamin A, niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine, which function to accelerate the cell divisions, while the fish emulsions contain the element of nitrogen and potassium, and also contain the phosphorus. Phosphorus elements are much needed by plants for vegetative growth, which together with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen elements The phosphor will change proteins so that cell development can take place properly, said Salolo et al. And table 2, time emerge of shoots. Uh, time emerge of shoot is one of the essential indicators in tissue cultures. And in this table, we can see that the media enriched with benzyl aminopurines still show the best result compared to the treatment using the organic methods. At 3.74 days after replanting. This is because the benzyl aminopurine contains cytokinin that play a role in cell division, organ formation, and the formation of plant buds, said Villa et al. At 2011. The exogenous hormones added to the media will change the balance of plant growth regulator in cells. Exogenous growth regulators are given to provide a balance for endogenous hormones in order to be able to influence psychological response as a driver in cell division and elongation during shoot multiplication and shoot morphogenesis, said Kasuningachi et al. Table 3, the number of shoots. Here, still, the best result is MS media enriched by benzyl aminopurine. There is 4.60 shoots per plant. This is because the cytokine hormones affect the shoot initiation. Meanwhile, the organic matter MS plus sweet potato extract and fish emulsion for PBN showed the highest result compared to the other organic treatment. Ontari and Hospitalintia said that sweet potato contains the vitamin B1 with thiamine content of 0.1 milligram per grams, and this vitamin will accelerate the cell division. And fish emulsion play a role in increasing the auxins needed for plant cell division. The fish emulsion contains the tryptophan amino acid. This amino acid can help plants change the endogenous auxin so the concentration of auxin is higher. Auxin will cause the cell elongation and enlargement, and the change expression rapidly, which causes cells in the elongation area to produce new protein as a constituent of cell walls, affecting development of a plant, said Anggara et al. But in contrast, the higher concentration of fish emulsion will inhibit the division of regeneration plant cells because the high concentration of auxin can inhibit the division and regeneration of plant cell. said Julianti et al. At table 4, number of fruits, show that the MS plus benzylaminopurin is giving the best result, and the pinch pro extract plus fish emulsion plus 2 ppm fish emulsion is non-significant. This is because the treatment of various types of organic media significantly affected the growth parameter, said Kontari and Puspitanites. And the highest number of rule is because the amount of auxin in beansprouts extract and benzylaminopurin work synergistically in stimulating cell division. Beansprout extract can be used as an alternative hormone to increase the number of fruits because the beansprout contains 3.74% IAA and 1.88% IBA, said Siti Nurrohmah and meanwhile, the fish emulsion is contain the nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which are essential for rooting, said Salolo et al. The conclusion: the results from this study indicate that the using of combination of natural organic material as a growth regulator on Cavendish banana tissue culture has not given maximum result compared to the synthetic plant regulator. However, the several combination of organic matter and fish emulsion gave results that were not significantly different from synthetic material or benzyl aminopurin. They are in the percentage of multiplication and the number of Cavendish banana plant roots. That is my presentation for today. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.